Before I get into the video, I would like to ask you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss the videos that I'll bring. Also, do not forget to like the video at the end of it and follow me on my TikTok handle at pjodo. Well, how to use Capcut in editing your videos and putting subtitles. Just go to Capcut, click on new project, and then select any video that you want. It will bring for you the videos in your gallery. After selecting your video, you click on add the video. It will bring you to this page with the video there. Now what you want to do is click on text and then select auto captions. When you select auto captions, it brings you to this page where you can select that you generate from the video, and then you also have the option of looking at the templates and choosing the one you love. So after looking at all the templates, you're free to select what you want. So right here I have used this specific one that I loved. You just click on it and then you go to the word generate and click on generate. When you do that, it will show you that it's generating the template and the captions that you want to use. So when it reaches 100%, it brings you back to the edit page where you can choose to select every sentence as you edit, like put in the different style you want, the font you want. Alternatively, if that is so much work, you can just go back and select batch edit. It's right there. It's a new option. You select batch edit, it brings for you all the captions, and then you just want to edit all of them at once. And when you're done, you click on that tick and it takes you back to the edit page. Now when you go back to the edit page, this is what you'll see. You'll just click on play. Yeah, when you click on the play button, it will actually start playing and the captions will appear on your video. So at this point, you are done. All you need to do is you're going to click on the arrow on the top right corner to export your video, and when your video is exported, it goes to your phone and it's also saved here on Capcut as a project that you have finished. You can always go back to it when you want and do edits or use it for another social media platform. If you want, you can just do a few changes and that's it. And before you go, kindly remember to subscribe and hit the share button, comment on this video. And also do not forget to follow me on my TikTok account. The handle is at pjodo. See you on my next video.